Hey, stop real quick. What comes to your mind when we use the word rich? Is it cars, houses, a lot of money? Well, let me tell you, it's a lot deeper than that. Come with me and let's talk about it. Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy Gary B, aka Uncle G. I've been broke before. I've been rich before. But what does the word rich really mean to you? You know what I'm saying? What are you thinking when you think about the word rich, excuse me. Because in this video, we're going to talk about what rich really means to me. And I wish more people in society would think about it the same way. So we're not gonna do any fluff. We're gonna jump right into it. Hold up, let's pause for a minute. What is the definition of rich? Traditionally, having a great deal of money or assets, wealthy. But in real life, rich means living with abundance of peace, health, love, time, purpose, or joy. It's not just what's in your bank, it's what's in your soul. Real quick, we're going to talk about society's definition versus real life. Society says rich equals money, status, and flexibility, or flexing. Is that what you think? Because real life, rich is peace of mind, health, love, legacy, things of that nature. That's what I feel. I like the real life definition over the money definition or the flexing definition because me personally, I retired when I was 46 years old from the United States military. You know what I'm saying? And I've been living a good life, a decent life ever since. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not somebody who says I've got all the money in the world and I got all the money in the bank and I got all the finer things outside of my house or in my house, but I'm rich. You see what I'm saying? But society puts a different definition on it, and I wish we would change that. Now, like I said, a personal story that I can tell you why I feel that way is because, like I said, when I retired. Luckily, I was blessed to be 100% disabled vet, but that means I only get one check. And you can check my money. Go to va.com, 100% disabled vet. It'll tell you how much I bring in a month. But I'm going to be very transparent. I bring in $4,000 a month. I have a wife and 5 kids. Now, are my kids grown? Yes, I have 4 grandkids. But what I'm trying to get at is $4,000 a month. I live at or below my means every month. I don't go over. You know what I'm saying? So I can take all the trips I want to take. I don't work nowhere. So I can go anytime I get ready. I have cars, I have money in the bank. I can do whatever. So that's why I keep saying, and I see all these videos about people saying how hard it is, which I know is hard. Now, that is, I'm not going to disagree with. Life is hard. And it's hard for me, but I just know how to tolerate it. And like I said, I live within my means. So technically, how do you classify it? We need to start looking at ourselves and not what somebody else has. You see what I'm saying? And I know people are losing their jobs, losing their homes, everything because of this economy. But what were you doing before all of this happened? That's what we need to start talking about. You had to have been doing something before this happened to put yourself in the situation you're in now. Okay? So that's another story. All right, what I mean by another story, I'm not putting anybody down. We all can have problems at any given time, me or anybody, no matter how good we're trying to live. But what I'm trying to get at is this: if you be ready, you won't have to get ready. So whatever a person was doing before these things may have happened, from losing a job or getting, put out of your house or whatever. These are things we don't think about, but we need to start thinking about them. So I'm not putting anybody down. I'm saying let's start the conversation. Let's us make sure we take care of each other. That's what I mean. On with the show. Now, there's 5 types of wealth. One is financial wealth. One is mental health. One is emotional and relationship wealth. One is time wealth. And one is spiritual and peace wealth. Which one of those do you fall in? You feel what I'm saying? Which one of those fives are you? Me personally, I think I'm outside of the financial wealth, I'm everything else. I'm the mental wealth, I'm the emotional relationship wealth, I'm the time wealth, and I'm the spiritual peace wealth. That's me in a nutshell. Which one are you? Are you trying to get to that number one spot of the financial wealth, or you looking for one of the others? So ask yourself, what makes you feel rich? Honestly, What makes you feel rich? I talk to a lot of my friends about this, or my associates about this a lot. And a lot of them all say the same thing: how much money you got in the bank. But you can have all the money in the bank and not have no health, not have no peace, and just things are going crazy. So which one do you really want? You see what I'm saying? Because people with money ain't always happy. All right. So my thing to you is, this was just going to be a quick video because I just wanted to understand what the definition of rich was to you, or is to you. Drop me a comment down below. Let's get this conversation started. Let's really see what's going on in society today. And, don't lie to yourselves. Don't lie to me, because you're not helping anything. On my channel, I want to get the real conversation started about budgeting, spending, debt management. Those are the things I love talking about. So this is the channel you need to be on if those are the things that are bothering you in your life. Hey, with all that being said, like I said, drop me a comment. Check out my videos. I got one more video coming this week for my budgeting series. That's called the reverse budgeting, and that's dropping tomorrow. But I want to say thank y'all for checking this video out. Thank y'all for checking me out, because y'all could be doing something else right now. And like I say in all my videos, I do the research, I live the life. You just gotta follow. Hey, I'm Gary B, aka Uncle G. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.